What? 7,000 RPM, slow down.
You said floor it. I didn't even floor it, honestly. I didn't floor it because...
I know. I meant go. How about you? You anxious?
No.
You ready to drive?
I'm just...
You got your seat adjusted the way you want it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good about this.
Make sure you're comfortable.
Trust me, I spent like 2 minutes trying to get myself comfortable.
Japan. Yes, Spirit. That's the one that we saw before. Japan. So. It's rare. It's a Spirit R. You gotta go. You gotta go. You gotta go.
How rare are Spirit R's?
Yeah, rare. It's in Japan. It's from Japan. You give gas a little bit, They're braking. There you go, take it again. There you go, like that. Red match. Yeah.
That's great. That's the first time I actually did it correctly.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have to shift to first here.
No, stay a second. Okay. Go in the turn. Come on. Don't accelerate hard. The car will slide. This tires suck in the back. There you go. Get it turned in. There you go.
This is great. Now I understand why they don't let us go on the trioval.
Yeah.
We go on the trioval, we're gonna slide. The thing is over there, that's not even the steep part.
Yeah. Do you feel the rear end at all?
Yeah.
Does it feel slippery?
No.
Oh, okay. You can go a little fast if you want, just...
It feels balanced in the front and the back.
Yeah, well, it'll slip out on the back quick.
The front seems more balanced though.
Yeah, still more good. Yeah, well the tires are old, 2011. Yeah, always somebody.
Don't they get in trouble for that?
Yeah, they can ruin the parade lap. So I hope they don't keep doing that. Get a little space and then you can accelerate a little bit. Once you get down the straightaway with it. Yeah. Keep going straight. Give it gas. Keep giving. Third gear. Put it in third gear. There you go. Go through that third. Yeah, stay over there more. Yeah.
I can't take the racing line.
I guess you can.
I was about to say, I want to take the racing line.
Go ahead, go. The car will stick. Go ahead, it'll stick. Slow down a little bit. You don't want them to take you off the track. Go ahead, just follow him. Did you floor it? Did you floor it in second?
No.
Oh. felt like it. It felt like it. Yeah, third's fine.
I can't floor in second.
No, don't floor in second. It's tires. Yeah, I'll step out. And you don't have.
I didn't want to like.
I mean, I think you can handle it, but you haven't had the experience in this particular car, so.
And plus, I don't know how people are like how they
Yeah, they're gonna react. I'm sure you get it, but
never had the first year.
not worth the risk. Third gear. You could just leave it in third. How you like that?
I don't know why they're going towards the top. Probably because it's more flat there.
No, that's not. Oh, maybe.
I think so. Feels like it. See, your theory was wrong. You can't flip in going below 60.
Stay in third. This guy, you can go second. This guy, you can go second.
Okay, right?
Just remember, second, if you don't accelerate hard at check, because we'll slide everywhere. You can take the turn pretty fast, you know, but you don't have to gas it. Go ahead. No, don't do that. Downshift second. There you go. Good. Turn it in. You can floor it now. Good. There you go. And you just gotta get used to the car.
I can red match this car.
Yeah. It just takes time to practice.
And in the Miata, like, it was like.
Give it a second. It'll roll in a second. You don't need. Just watch the boost when you exit the turns because it will slide out.
It did slide out.
But it will, like it'll catch out, like.
Yeah, I know. I
catch you out.
Yeah, I know. Don't worry, I'm not worried.
Not even floor it. If you're rolling, it can boost. Keep in second. Keep in second. Just keep it. Let's go around, yeah. Let's go around.
Alright.